Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
There's a live look at the huge plume of smoke coming from the Jarbo Gap area. That's smoke from the Dixie Fire, which is still at just over 2,200 acres, 0% containment. The conditions obviously very dry out there. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joins us now with the latest look on the conditions out there. Jason?
Yeah, we still have the breezes blowing in the vicinity of the Dixie Fire, sustained between 10 and 15 miles an hour. We've had some gusts between 15 and 25, but as you know, especially around the ridge, anywhere in the Sierra, you could have such strong wind. We're thankful we don't have that much wind, but we have enough that is still causing some red flag warnings. We have a red flag warning through tonight at 8 p.m. for Modoc County, another one for tomorrow from 3 p.m. until 8 p.m., and a fire weather watch also for almost all of Modoc County. That is for Saturday. We're still going to have that gusty wind. The hot, dry air is going nowhere, and we're certainly not going to have any replenishment of the moisture in the fuel. So it's still going to be dangerous in Modoc County and other places too. Make sure you don't have any sparks that are occurring anywhere. Right now in Alturas, 89 degrees. It's 83 degrees with a lot of smoke in the air over Chester, 92 degrees in Oroville, 91 in Chico, 96 degrees in Redding and 94 degrees in Red Bluff. But as you can see, thankfully, we cooled down more, slightly below average today, between 3 and 6 degrees cooler than just 24 hours ago. Tomorrow, the temperatures are going to be pretty close to where they were today. But the biggest thing you can see on the map right now is that smoke from the Dixie Fire moving from its center near the Plumas and Butte County line and pushing right over Chester, over Lake Almanor, and all the way towards Susanville into northwestern parts of Nevada. And you can see what it's doing to the sky. Showed you this earlier. Want to show it to you again. Look at that view at Lake Almanor. You can't see much of the lake right now. All you can see is a lot of smoke. The sun getting a little bit lower in the sky, but that is an eerie view. We saw that way too many times last year. Hopefully fewer times this year. But as far as the chances for rain, not looking very good. We're going to have a lot of sunshine tomorrow afternoon as well as Saturday afternoon. Then our weather pattern will change a little bit. That ridge that I was tracking for weeks on end got pushed into Nevada and Utah. It's going to push right back. But when it does, it's going to bring in some of that monsoonal moisture. There's a slight chance for some showers over the highest terrain of the Sierra, the adjacent foothills, and the plateau. That for Sunday into Monday and early Tuesday, but it's not going to amount to very much. The temperatures will rise, but you'll notice that this weekend will be nowhere near as hot as the last weekend was. And also really nice weather for the Thursday night market for Chico. Temperatures in the lower 90s this time of year. We will take that. Just enjoy it. And just make sure you have a really pleasant evening. Here's the forecast for Friday for the northern mountains, expecting highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Also ideal for this time of year. It could be and has been so much hotter. For the northeastern part of our state, smokier sky. Will have temperatures a little bit cooler, 80s and lower 90s also possible. For the ridge, looking pretty good. Hazy at times, but the temperatures are going to be really nice. Lows in the 50s and 60s, highs in the 70s and lower to mid 80s, and looking good for the valley also. Comfortable lows, below average, lows mainly in the 60s, highs similar to today. Mid to upper 90s for tomorrow afternoon, and the Chico area, upper 50s and lower 60s tonight, highs in the lower to mid 90s for tomorrow with just a little bit of haze in the air, but most of it will be far to the north and the east of the valley. Next 7 days in Chico, we're going to be fairly seasonable. We're going to have a warming trend, but a modest one, up to 100 degrees Monday and Tuesday. And for Redding, enjoy that 97-degree high tomorrow, because after that, it's all 100 to 105.